If you're looking for a smartwatch but don't feel like spending a ton of money on one, perhaps this video will help you narrow down to the UFit. This is the UFit by UMIDIGI, a slick stainless steel design that gives a premium look and feel all around. It has a 1.3-inch full-color display screen that offers great viewing angles with a resolution of 240 by 240. To see more reviews of the UFit, just follow the Amazon link in the description to read up on what people are saying about it that already bought it. The battery in this tiny smartwatch can last up to 10 days on a day-to-day use. If you plan on using it as a way to check the time and not have it connected to a phone, it will last you about 30 days on a single charge. It can connect to a phone using the UFit Pro app with Bluetooth 5.0. Let's jump straight to the features of the UFit. The most notable one would be that it has 9 sports modes to track activities and performance. Basically, it's a personal coach on your wrist. It also has a 24/7 heart rate optical sensor that checks your heart rate uninterrupted, so you could be working, running, or even sleeping and it would be checking your heart rate in the background. Other features that most people would want to use include call, text, and app reminders all pop up on the display if connected to a phone. If you're working out and don't feel like pulling out your phone whenever you want to change a song, just do it right on the watch itself. You can control popular platforms like Spotify, Audible, and Google Play Music. The UFit does come with 4 preloaded watch display screen skins. All the features on the UFit can be controlled through the UFit Pro app. You can use the app to give the watch permission to display certain features on the screen. The app is also where you will find a more in-depth look of your daily tracking activities you would do while wearing the watch. Keep in mind you will need a device with Android 4.4 or iOS 8 and above to connect the UFit with the app. Updating the UFit can be done through the app, so make sure you check it often for new updates. There's also a great frequently asked questions section to help you with some troubleshooting in case you need some help. The UFit has a single button on the right that acts as a wake and go back button. The wrist strap can be removed so you can change it up to your taste and like. The UFit is water resistant, so you can wear it when you're washing hands, running in the rain, and swimming, but do not use it in showers or saunas because of the heat that they generate. That's it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be safe out there and peace out.